10th CBSE Mathematics, chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. After watching this video, we can find the volume of a combination of solids. Let us see some solids which we see every day around us: a cuboid, a cube, a cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. Let us recall the volume of these solids. If L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height of the cuboid, then the volume of the cuboid is given by L into B into H. If A is one side of the cube, then the volume of the cube is given by A cube, because we know that in a cube all the sides are equal. Suppose R is the radius of the cylinder and H is its height, then the volume of the cylinder is given by pi r square H. If R is the radius of the cone and H is the height of the cone, then the volume of the cone is given by 1 by 3 pi r square H. If R is the radius of the sphere, then the volume of the sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. The hemisphere is always half of the sphere, so if the radius of the hemisphere is r, then the volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Every day we see monuments, buildings which are made of a combination of basic solids. Let us look at this solid. If we have to find the volume of this solid, then there is no standard formula to find the volume of this solid. We have to first recognize the fundamental solid shapes that make up this solid. This solid is made of a cylinder and a cone. So if we have to find the volume of this solid, then we have to find the volume of cylinder and add it with the volume of the cone. Now volume of the cylinder we know is given by pi r square H. The volume of the cone is given by 1 by 3 pi r square H. Now let us look at this solid. This solid we can see is made of a hemisphere and a cone. Now if we have to find the volume of this solid, then we find the volume of the hemisphere and add the volume of the cone. Now volume of the hemisphere is given by 2 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square H. Adding this, we will get the volume of this solid. Let us take a real life example where a solid is composed of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. If the whole length of the solid is 46 centimeters and the radius of each hemispherical end is 14, we have to find the volume of the solid. Now the data given to us is that the length of the solid is equal to 46 centimeters. We also know that the radius of hemisphere is equal to 14 centimeters. Now we have to find the volume of the solid, but we know there is no standard formula to find the volume of this solid. We have to first recognize the fundamental solid shapes that make up this solid. This solid is made of a hemisphere, a cylinder and a hemisphere. We know that both the hemispheres are equal because they have a radius 14 centimeters. Now to find the volume of the solid, we have to find the volume of the two hemispheres and we also have to add to the volume of the cylinder. Let us first find the volume of the hemisphere. The volume of the hemisphere can be got by the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. Because we have two hemispheres, so we multiply it by 2. Now let us substitute the values. We get 2 into 2 by 3 multiplied by, for pi let us take the value as 22 by 7, and the radius of the hemisphere is given to us as 14. So 14 into 14 into 14. We get the volume of the two hemispheres after calculation as 11,498.6 cubic centimeters. Now let us find the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is got by the formula pi r square h. Now h has not been given to us. This will be the height of the cylinder. Now we have been given the total height of the solid as 46. So that means if we subtract the height of the two hemispheres, we will get the height of the cylinder. So h is equal to 46 minus 14 minus 14. So the height of the cylinder is equal to 18 centimeters. Now the value of pi is 22 by 7. The radius is again 14. So 14 into 14. The height is 18. Now solving this, we get the volume of the cylinder as 11,088 centimeter cube. Now let us find the total volume of solid. So the total volume of solid will be the volume of the two hemispheres, that is 11,498.6 plus the volume of the cylinder, which is 11,088. So the total volume of the solid is 22,586.6 centimeter cube. In this video, we have learned to find the volume of a combination of solids.